Hi there, students. Slouch, to slouch, or as a noun, a slouch. To slouch is to do with your body position. Yeah, to slouch, to hang down, to droop, to adopt a limp posture. Yeah, don't slouch. Put your shoulders back, put your head up, yeah? He was slouched on the sofa. Yeah, he's got this limp, flaccid position. Yeah, so to slouch, to stand, to sit, to walk in this drooping posture, and that's to slouch. Yeah, so to do this with your shoulders hanging forward, your head bent over, so you look tired and bored. Straighten your back and try not to slouch. The children were slouched over the table reading magazines. There were a group of teenagers slouching outside the shop in the park. Yeah? So a slouch, it's a way of standing or sitting or walking, he's developed a slouch from poring, P-O-R-E, poring over his books all day. Yeah, so to slouch is to do with posture. Notice as well, though, you could call a person a slouch, somebody who's lazy, inept, not very good. So, or even in the negative, he's no slouch when it comes to selling things. He's good at chess, and he's no slouch at other board games as well. Okay, so a slouch, a lazy person. Yeah, in class he's always a slouch, but when it comes to sports, then it's a very different question. Yeah, so a slouch, a couch potato. Yeah, yeah, and to slouch. Yeah, it's this position where you're not interested. It looks like you're not interested. You're not. Shoulders are not back. Your head's not up. Yeah, I tend to slouch. I don't have very good posture. You can also actually have something called a slouch hat. This is normally a military hat with a brim where one side is against the head and the other side comes down. Yeah, that would be a slouch hat. Okay, but so to slouch, to hang down, yeah, this limp posture. He sat in an unenthusiastic slouch. Yeah, he's very slow to act. He's a real slouch. I slouched to work because I really didn't fancy it. Yeah, okay, so to slouch. Okay, what about formality? This verb and the noun I'd give. So to slouch, the verb of 5, but a slouch is a little bit more informal. Yeah, he's a slouch. I would give that a 4 in formality. But the verb to slouch, a 5 in formality, use it anywhere. To slouch is a regular verb. He slouched on the sofa. He slouched on the sofa all day. Yeah, and then the origin comes from Old Norse, yeah, the Viking, slocker, meaning slouching, or a lazy fellow, somebody who's lazy, who's not enthusiastic to do things. So don't slouch, sit up and pay attention. But I know that if you're listening to this video, you're no slouch at English. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Slouch.